appreciate it. Let me get the screen share. Here we go. So we're gonna do this. Pause. Theater mode. There we go. Oh. Making sound effects for silent films. I think it was originally titled like making our own foley, but maybe people don't know what foley is. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. Oh, I should put my blanket on. Blanket. Blanket time. Let's get cozy.
How's it going, you scandalous? Did you just call me?
Why did you just call me?
Welcome to the 10-minute Power Hour. My name's Dan. This is my good friend Aaron, who is not in any way scandalous.
You can't say that on the show. It'll get bleeped. Yes.
It'll get bleeped. That's right.
What are we doing today?
Well, Dan, have you ever watched a movie before?
Nope.
It's a picture that moves.
That's what they call the movies.
So when you see a moving picture, they don't use the sounds that are really there. So they record those sounds in other places, and then they put them in the movie. It's called Foley.
This is actually something I always wanted to do. I don't know how you get this job.
Excuse me, movies.
Pardon me, Mr. Movies.
Excuse me, The Departed.
Is that why we've got this beautiful mic and also Johnny?
Yes. Hi, Johnny.
Hey, man. What will you be doing here?
I am here to help you record your Foley and
That's awesome.
put it to the footage.
So there's 3 rounds, and you'll make all of the sound effects.
Oh! And it's that easy.
Whoa! Okay. All right. I love a little geology in my coffee.
So here's the basic list of things.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's your table of stuff.
It does have like a...
Going into a boat. Those are kind of frantic footsteps.
Yeah.
I want to, for the rope, I want it to be like, whoosh, whoo, whoosh,
Yeah.
you know?
I want him to say stuff like, I'm gonna go get paid twice as much as you for the same job. Are they gonna have a nice picnic in this... Wait, oh. What nice fish, just to think the baby, he'll be so hungry. Are you gonna do her voice? I think you should.
I could, yeah.
Are you gonna do her voice?
Just to think the baby, he'll be so hungry. That's great.
That's it. Okay. We can do it.
So, we got stuff like
Every time I shake my drink, I think about the one time that guy was in here and was like, "Could you not shake your
Yeah.
drink?"
Those others feel
And I was
awfully-
like,
Well, these are both women's
No.
shoes.
So they are.
Okay, it's kind of an
Is he a
empty
horse?
foot. No. You want to, yeah, you definitely want to, like, simulate having a foot.
I shit you not. I think about it like every time I shake it on
Johnny, do you
camera.
recommend, since they were walking at the same time, should we get the Foley of the walking at the same time, or can you just lay them in?
Oh, we can layer
People
that,
are goofy.
Okay,
Yeah,
Best
they
part
are.
is Just make sure you get some.
I'm making
good
Foley.
audio without tapping, so
I don't know what
got
Foley
it.
of, but you know.
Godspeed.
Clomp. Aaron, put the shoes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 little steps.
Okay, sure.
Hold on, I have to... This...
Oh, is this intense?
No, it's got like a thunderous sounding second hand. Right?
3, 2, 1, action.
Nice.
All right.
Okay. Good work.
That was awesome. That is the most fumbly walk I've ever heard. Is she
All right,
drunk?
Let's do it again. My Tootsies don't fit in here. They're too large.
What's next?
We got woman steps into boat, sits down and puts items down. Okay, I got a bag.
Okay, here, hand me that Lego box.
She's carrying around Legos with her.
Okay. I'm in the boat.
Solid gold.
I'm in the boat.
That's gonna sound really good. What we got next? What we got next?
That's a basket with a baby in it.
Celery.
For the baby?
Bag of celery. Here, you take the baby.
Okay.
Okay. I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes.
Thank you, Father.
Let me just... Man pushing dock with paddle.
Oh, skateboard. That's great.
Skateboard's good. Oops. Too early.
Single paddle row in water.
Yes.
Here's your water bowl, bro.
Now we can use the spoon.
Very gentle. Very
It
gentle.
is very gentle.
Print it. We got it. Next.
Kinda, hey.
My pants are very wet now. Is it okay
My
that
pants
the electrical
are very
equipment is
wet.
Yeah.
Is that our new paddle?
What's happening? Don't worry about it. Okay, man stands up and steps out of boat onto shore.
As it turns out, it just sounds like a bag.
It's like the bag of sugar. That's his little footsteps.
That guy's got some cakes.
And you can move them around as it
Look at that. The whole bakery is open. Man grabs basket and places it on beach. What was our basket? Oops. One more time.
That was great. I don't know.
Okay.
There's the ringing of the bowl. My favorite event in Spain. All right.
That one felt great.
I buy that.
There's sugar
Yeah.
everywhere.
It's okay. That's how we get ants.
Yeah. Finally, we can have ants.
Women stands up holding fish. Question mark, question mark,
Finally.
question mark?
Yeah, really go for it. She's tossing those fish around like crazy.
Man, this is awesome. What a nice fish! Just to think for baby, he'll be so hungry.
That's it for number one.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. That felt really good. We make the most wobbly sounding movie.
This one you don't get to see the video for.
Okay.
Okay.
Vague sound effects.
Okay, cool. Ripping. Do we have paper? We're both gonna rip?
Hell yeah. Double intensity. On three.
Okay.
1, 2.
Why'd you say 3 when we're recording Foley?
Oh, good point. Solid. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3. Wink.
Yes.
And on wink we go.
Yes, yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Handing wood off from one person to another. Just join me on a Friday night, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for the wood.
Something slamming down. 5 different versions.
What do you mean something slamming down? Is it metal? Is it... okay.
5 different versions. We need a squish. Do we have a squish thing? Oh yeah, dip that in the
Squish
water.
that thing.
Bruh.
Squish that cat.
I trust your
I've stood.
I trust your vision.
Okay. One last one.
All right.
On to the next. Quite a windy day.
Hitting something repeatedly. All right, Dan, close your eyes.
Hold on. You wanna tell me to move my leg before you wring something out?
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. It's like gross bone crunching,
Yeah,
you know?
that was terrific.
Right? Checking sturdiness. What the does that mean? Well, it's pretty sturdy, I guess. Okay. Yeah, kind of sturdy.
Nice wood. Man hitting the ground and tumbling.
All right, well, let's just get it live.
Okay, that looks good. No, that was me. That was me. That was me. I was adjusting the thing because since I have the monitor specifically set up, it wasn't the TV wasn't the right size, so I went in and edited the TV. But I think I got it.
How's that sound?
I think you got it. Challenge 2 complete. Well done. Well done.
Yeah, I think that looks good.
That is suffering for your art, man. Way
Nice.
to go.
Do I need to
You get
fix?
to
No,
see
that
it
was me.
Once
You're good.
through,
Okay.
and then you can prep, and then you have one take to do all the sound effects for it.
And then footsteps. And then moving
And
it.
jump.
Cranking. Jump.
Getting faster. Getting faster. Jump to jump. 1, 2, 3,
Whoa.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
And then, oh, he grabs the thing. Oh.
Oh, sploosh.
Oh, God.
The stunts on this are crazy.
Oh.
Man.
And a motorcycle.
Wow, okay.
There we go. Sorry. I'm just adjusting
And
things.
then
I'm
they
just
chase
fucking
after
with
him.
everything.
What do we got? Like a chugga chugga.
Chugga chugga. Chugga chugga.
Okay, so we got
Yeah.
the train going chugga 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 chugga.
Can I have the water bowl, please?
Water bowl.
Oh, let's just use this.
For the gigantic deluge of water coming out.
And we can't talk during this either.
Oh, okay.
Can't be like, okay, now's the. Yeah.
Oh wait, motorcycle.
Yes.
I'll just do it.
Okay, great. All right, I'll be the man running.
Okay. I'll be the train and the.
Yeah.
And then I'm the thing moving.
What about the hatch as he pops out?
I'll just do it. That's it. That's it. There it is. Okay.
3, 2, 1, action.
Get off the train!
Pay no attention to the acorn.
Oh God! Oh, the hell? The hell's going on? That's pretty good though, right?
I think we got it. I think we nailed it.
Alright.
All right.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you. And we're back. It's later. Johnny edited a bunch of stuff.
Johnny
Way to go.
Manchild, everybody.
Johnny Manchild.
All right, this is what I'm excited for.
Manchild.
Thank you. How long did this take you to put together?
45 minutes.
Wow, not bad, man.
And it only took us about 45
It took
minutes.
us an hour. Took us an hour. All right, let's see what we got.
Ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
I've got the baby. Oh, there it goes. Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Don't worry about it.
I love the don't worry about it.
Hey.
Yay!
All right.
Wow.
Okay.
It looks so legit.
Okay.
I just wanted to put
10
some
points
stuff
up.
in there with
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
acorns.
I love this one.
Okay.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the wood. Well, it's pretty sturdy, I guess. Yeah, kind of sturdy. I'm tumbling.
Wow.
Oh, amazing.
That was really good. Yeah. Really used every part of the buffalo on that one. That was really good.
That was really funny.
Oh, okay. Oh, here we go.
This one's your favorite? Get off the train!
Yeah!
Oh, God!
Oh God! Oh, the hell? The hell's going on?
Wow! Wow! That was really fun.
Oh my god.
It was so much more accurate than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah, really impressive. Patreon.com/GameGrumps. Do you like ASMR? If you do, you're gonna love it. If not,
It's like I see like a bag of sugar, and I'm like, that's a bag of sugar.
yeah.
But then you hear a bag of sugar, and you see a bag
Yeah.
in the thing, and you're like, oh, that's a bag.
Yeah, your brain just like fills in the gaps.
Yeah.
That was really fun and really interesting. And we will see you next time on the 10-minute Power Hour.
Oh, I guess
There's
that's
nothing
it.
else to do. Goodbye.
Oh.
Goodbye. Goodbye.